Hello, thank you for playing the video on our demonstration of our Daystacker litter box system. Before you'll see 3 boxes stacked in our 3-day configuration. Please notice that the gray is what we call our filter boxes, and the bottom box, being the main box, is black. Now there's a few differences between the filter box and the main box. The biggest difference being the fact that it has the filtration method incorporated into the bottom of the box. Here's the Monday box, the Wednesday box, and the Friday box. The Friday box, being the main box, has no method of filtration at the bottom. These boxes constitute a 3-day system or 3-day interval, but the system can be used on a 5-day or even a 7-day interval, where each day a filtration box could be used to filter out the good litter from the bad. What we recommend is that the Friday box, or the last box, main box, be in the bottom. The next day would be Wednesday, would be next nested into the Friday box. And the last, in this case, in this 3-day one, being the Monday box. We also recommend that the filtration be alternated so that the litter does not pass directly through right away into the main box. Once they are stacked accordingly, then you can introduce your litter. The litter that can be used is any type of clumping litter would be best. And go ahead and pour it in just as you would with any other litter box. The same amount, the same type. Now we have our litter all set up and ready for kitty. Welcome back to the Daystacker litter box system demonstration. What we've done is on our Monday, we're going to assume that today is Monday, and that we've simulated some cat use of the litter box. And we will now demonstrate how to filter and change out the Monday box and leave the Wednesday box for Wednesday's filtration. So simply pick up the box, tilting slightly towards the filtration area, and let that filter through. You can see that for the most part it's effortless in the filtration process. Creating very little dust and very little debris. The purpose of the filtration, covering only about 40 to 45% of the box, is so that you can tilt it, no matter that it's been filtered out, and deposit it in a wastebasket. Now you've got a nice clean surface, a solid surface, with which to take it to the wastebasket and not have to worry about it falling through the filtration area. As you find with competing boxes, the entire filtration tray does not have a section to be able to carry the box to the wastebasket and not run the risk of losing some of the filtered stuff that's in the box left from the cats. After dumping the filtration box, just check the bottom quickly to see if there is any cat debris on the bottom. If so, just lightly wipe it off with a damp cloth, or if it all looks good to go, go ahead and put that at the bottom of our stack. And we are now ready for Wednesday. Here we are back with the Daystacker litter box system. In our simulation, today is now Wednesday, and as we can see in our box, today is the day that we are going to filter out. It is not a black box, so we're not cleaning the entire system. It is a gray box, so it is a filter box. So we can go ahead and filter just as we did before. Now that we've dumped our Wednesday box, go ahead and take a look at the bottom just as we did with the Monday box and make sure that there's no cat debris left behind. If so, just go ahead and wipe it off with some sort of rag, wet rag, or a disinfectant wipe, and place that on the bottom of the system again. And now we've reached Friday. Once we get to Friday, as we can see, we're on the black box. The black box tells us that we're now on the main box, and it is time to not just filter the system, but to dump the litter and introduce fresh litter once we restack the system in its proper configuration. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration on the Daystacker litter box system.